Our honored guest, Patrolman Harold Ramones Verzola, sir, the ever beautiful and diligent school head, Ma'am Gemma Estalamayan, ma'am, to our supportive barangay officials headed by the barangay captain, Joseph C. Lista, sir, our dear teachers, parents, fellow graduates and schoolmates, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a great morning to all of you. Wow, we finally made it. Today is a special day, a day of celebration, gratitude, and new beginnings. As we stand here ready to take the next step in our journey, I am filled with pride, joy, and deep appreciation for everything that has brought us to this moment. Let's be honest, our batch compared to the previous batches, we have been different. Previous batches are known for their discipline, respect, and excellence. We have been struggled with those things. We are the ones who tested patience, broke rules, pushed limits, and maybe caused a few extra headaches and probably gave our teachers extra white hairs. But despite all of that, look at us now. We are graduating, and that means something. It means that no matter our past, we are capable of growth. It means that every correction, every second chance, and every lesson, both in academic and in life, brought us to this moment. Our team, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines, is a challenge to us. If you want a better future, we need to prove that we are not just the worst class, but a class that learned, changed, and united. To our teachers, thank you for never giving up on us. We may not have been the easiest class, but we hope to make you proud of us in the future. To our parents and families, thank you for your endless love and grace that carried us through. And to my fellow graduates, we must ask ourselves, is this how we want to be remembered? Or do we want to be known as the batch that lacked discipline? Or do we want to prove that we can be better? This is our moment to turn things around. Let's move forward with respect, discipline, and a determination to be better, not just for ourselves, but to each other, for our families, for our country, and most of all for the glory of God. This is our fresh start. Let's step into it with faith, unity, and purpose. Congratulations, Class 2025! We did it! To God be the glory. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat.